2, 1, go. Too high.
You gotta push it in.
Hey, don't. What's up, guys? Today we're in the Chemical Guys detail garage with this 2000 Corvette. As you can see, it's got this beautiful torch red finish. Now, we've already washed it, we've already clayed it, and that removed any kind of contamination that was in the pores of the paint. It's got this super slick feeling, but now we want to protect it. Now, the car could be polished, it could be sealed and waxed, but we only have this car for about an hour longer. So now we're going to use the quickest way to add shine and protection, and that's Blazin Banana Spray Wax. All you have to do is shake up the bottle and mist it over the area. And you don't need to give this time to flash or to haze. You can simply buff it off and unveil that high shine. And what's great is you can do this in the parking lot, you can do this in the garage, if you're in a car show or something like that where you just want to add that last little eye-popping shine, simply spray on and wipe off. Now, a lot of you guys who have red colored cars know that the paint will start to fade or oxidize very quickly, which is why it's important to have some form of protection on there. And so we've chosen to go with this Blazin Banana to really magnify that gloss and protect the finish. Not only does Blazin Banana look great, it also smells great. So with any detailing product, it's best to have a tool or a chemical that does more than one job. So you can see, obviously it works well on the paint, but you can also use it on your glass. This will help any water sheet off or bead away this way. If it's dewy outside or if it's raining, it doesn't create water spots. And this way you'll prevent any kind of etching or permanent stains in your glass. So you can see you spray it on, wipes off nice and easy, and then you have the ultimate clarity. So, if you guys want to learn more about Blazin Banana, head over to our website. If you like this Corvette, be sure to give her a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage. Now, it's important to decontaminate the paint. This removes any kind of fallout from the pores, and this is going to make it easier for any kind of coatings or your wax and sealants to stick, and that's going to make it last longer and look better. Because if you think about it, all you're doing is locking in the contamination, and that doesn't look good and it definitely doesn't feel good. So using the OG clay bar, I've pulled off a small piece and kneaded it up into a disc, and then using our clay luber, this will help moisturize the clay bar. And it's also adding a tolerance of lubrication between the paint and the bar, which reduces any kind of marring or scratches. So how the clay bar works is it's a silly putty effect where it's trapping any kind of pollution, fallout, any kind of abrasiveness inside of the rubberized material, and this safely picks it up and glides off the surface, and it's also restoring a factory slick finish.